Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I met you before.
I've met you multiple times.
Yeah.
It's changed a lot since then.
Well, you got a little bit more room.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway,
I had the HDs. I got signatures now.
okay.
So
Are you happy with it?
We're on 212Ks I have on me. So yeah.
Okay. So what's your name? What's in here real quick?
All right. Name's Dan. 4 Signature 15s.
Okay.
2 VFL COMP 12Ks.
Yep.
Running off of all Titan8s. And basically 28 8s, 26 tweeters. So
26?
yeah.
Wow.
I got a Stonewall too.
Hey, I saw that.
Yeah, it's okay.
How much you asking?
Let me get my demo. We'll talk. You ready?
Oh, one more thing. One more. What's your electrical and your tuning?
It's tuned to 32. There's 6 Titan8s under the seats.
Okay. Under the seat? Really?
Under kind of peak back here.
Okay.
So everything lights up. I make my own custom fuse block.
Yeah.
Everything's
There you
all
go.
underneath the seats.
Nice.
AutoTech 320 under the hood. Working on putting a second 320 on this little baby 4-cylinder.
You would be able to do that?
I have a bracket made, but we were at Slam Fest and we burned up belts, so we're working on that now. So
Do you know what are the subs RMS rated at on those?
I think those are like 5K.
5K RMS? Wow.
It's American made. Iris.
No. Yeah. VFL?
No, they're the signatures.
Signature VFL. Got it. Yeah. Appreciate it.
Higher than that is a Neo. But good luck finding them.
Good luck with that one.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you very much.
Hey, no
Your
problem,
name again?
Dan.
Dan.
Yeah.
All right, Dan. Check. subs are taking some power, man.
Wow. Yeah, I actually bought them from a fella out here. He's actually out here.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
I've been running for about a year now.
Yeah.
So, wow.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.